Good morning students. Welcome to challenge series. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from the chapter current electricity. Observe here, the circuit given is a combination of resistance values like this. Each having same resistance. Like this, the circuit is given to us. We have to find the equivalent resistance RAB. Okay. See here, before finding this equivalent resistance, let us observe one point. If a current flowing through this point is I, then the current leaving this point should be I. Then this I having three paths to split. Assume that three equal currents I by 3. Then to get I here, there are again three paths available. Each path should carry I by 3, I by 3, I by 3. Then in this point, if I by 3 is coming and in this path I by 3 is going, then there is no current flowing in this resistor. Observe the point. So this upper part of the circuit is similar to the Wheatstone bridge concept. Observe this total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors we can connect like this. So this upper part is similar to the Wheatstone bridge, so that if you put a galvanometer here, it shows 0 reading. So there is no use by using this resistor. We can simply omit that resistor. Similarly, the lower part is also, if you observe, here I by 3 coming to this point, I by 3 leaving this point. So there is no current flowing through this resistor. And this lower part is also similar to this Wheatstone bridge concept. So there is no use of this resistor. No current flows through that resistor. So we can omit or eliminate these two resistors. Then the equivalent circuit we can write like this. This is equivalent to these two resistors we are eliminating. So after eliminating these two resistors, we are getting the equivalent circuit like that. Here R value, here also R. Then this is nothing but series combination of these two resistors. R plus R, 2R. These two are series combination. R plus R, 2R. Similarly, this one, third one, 2R. Then the equivalent resistance RAB. If a resistor R is connected in parallel for n times, we know that the equivalent resistance is R divided by n. Then here three resistors are connected in parallel with each 2R. So 2R by 3 is the equivalent resistance for such circuit. Then the similar circuit is asked already in IIT JEE Physics 2002 paper. Here I am plotting the circuit asked in the 2002 paper. That is, the circuit asked was like this. Here 2R. Here 2R. This is also 2R. These two are small r's given. He asked to find the equivalent resistance between points P and Q. This was the question asked in IIT 2002. Same concept, to find the equivalent resistance. Observe, this resistor is this resistor, this resistor is this resistor, this one is this one, and these two, these three, this. Same configuration is asked. Then the resistance value is changed, of course. Here 2R, 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 R, R. Here to apply this concept, this resistance, and this resistance having some relation. We know that the Wheatstone bits already we have seen. Anyhow, this should not be different to apply this concept. Here R, 2R, 3R, 4R, such kind of different resistance values if it is given in this circuit, we cannot apply this concept. So this divided by this having the similar values, then only we can apply this concept. So this one can be written like, we can omit these two resistors. So then 2R in series with 2R, small r in series with small r, and 2R in series with 2R. Between PQ we have this configuration. So simply it is series combination. This is nothing but 4R in parallel with R plus R, 2R small r, and 2R in series with 2R, 4R. These three are in parallel. What is the equivalent circuit? Means parallel combination with different values. So 1 by equivalent resistance between PQ is 1 by 4R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by 4R. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So that it is 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2 small r. So further we can simplify 1 by 2 this side. So this is nothing but R plus R divided by R into R. So what is the final equivalent resistance? RPQ is simply 2RR divided by R plus R. Like that we will find the equivalent resistance between these two terminals for such configurations. Here Wheatstone bridge concept is used, or we can analyze the currents flowing through each branch separately. Then we can get the point. There is no use of this resistor for the current flowing. So if you put a galvanometer here, it shows 0 reading. Like that we can analyze and we can replace the equivalent circuit by eliminating the unwanted resistors. We can simply simplify the circuit. Thank you.